Ever wondered how wealthy families manage to sustain and grow their wealth across generations? It starts with the financial lessons they teach their kids early on. In this video, we reveal the 6 essential money lessons that wealthy parents pass down to their children, helping them develop a strong understanding of financial principles and empowering them to achieve financial success and independence. These insights aren't just for children of wealthy parents. Anyone can benefit from learning and applying these lessons in their own life. Whether you're a parent looking to guide your child or just interested in how the wealthy think about money, this video is packed with actionable tips to help you build a stronger financial future. 1. Wealth versus income. Understanding the key difference. One of the most crucial lessons that rich parents impart is the difference between wealth and income. Many people equate income with wealth, believing that as long as they earn a high salary, they are financially secure. However, rich parents teach their children that income is simply the money that comes in through active work, whereas wealth refers to assets and investments that appreciate in value over time, generating passive income. Wealth building is not just about earning a paycheck. It's about creating systems that work for you and continue to generate money even when you're not actively working. Wealth is accumulated through assets like real estate, stocks, bonds, and businesses that appreciate in value and produce income. By teaching children the distinction between income and wealth, wealthy parents help them focus on building sustainable sources of passive income, rather than just depending on a salary. 2. Making money work for you. The art of investing. The next lesson that rich parents impart is the art of investing. While most people think of investing as something complex or reserved for the elite, wealthy parents often start teaching their children about investing at a young age. They encourage them to view money not just as something to spend, but as a tool that can work for them. Investing, whether in the stock market, real estate, or a business venture, allows individuals to grow their wealth over time. Rich parents teach their children to start investing early, even if it's with small amounts, and to remain consistent. They understand that investing is not about instant gratification. It's about making calculated decisions that will grow over time. Another key aspect of teaching kids about investing is helping them understand the power of compound interest. By investing early, children can learn how their money grows exponentially over time, showing them the importance of consistency, patience, and long-term thinking. 3. Debt as a tool. Knowing the difference between good and bad debt. Another lesson rich parents teach is the concept of debt. Not all debt is bad. Many people are taught to avoid debt at all costs, but wealthy parents educate their children on the strategic use of debt. They understand that debt can be an essential tool for leveraging wealth, especially when it's used responsibly. The key distinction rich parents make is between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is debt that is used to finance an investment or an asset that will generate income or appreciate in value over time. For example, taking out a mortgage to purchase a rental property that produces monthly income can be considered good debt. Similarly, investing in education or starting a business may require taking on debt, but can lead to long-term financial benefits. Bad debt, on the other hand, is debt used for non-productive purchases, such as credit card debt for consumer goods. Rich parents teach their children to avoid accumulating bad debt and to manage good debt effectively. They emphasize the importance of making debt work for you rather than letting it control you. 4. Budgeting and financial responsibility. Rich parents also emphasize the importance of budgeting and financial responsibility. They know that financial success doesn't just come from making money, but from managing it effectively. From a young age, wealthy parents teach their children how to create and stick to a budget, prioritize their spending, and save for future goals. While budgeting is often seen as a mundane task, rich parents understand that it's an essential skill for building long-term wealth. By making budgeting a part of everyday life, they ensure their children develop good financial habits early on. They teach them to track their income and expenses, set financial goals, and make conscious decisions about their spending. Rich parents also emphasize the importance of saving and preparing for the future. They teach their children to allocate a portion of their income to savings and to avoid living paycheck to paycheck. By developing these habits early, children learn to take responsibility for their financial future, which serves them well throughout their lives. 5. Encouraging entrepreneurship and creative problem solving. One of the most powerful lessons wealthy parents teach their children is the importance of entrepreneurship and creative problem solving. Instead of simply focusing on traditional career paths, wealthy parents encourage their children to think outside the box and explore business opportunities that can lead to wealth creation. Rich parents understand that entrepreneurship is one of the most effective ways to build lasting wealth. By encouraging their children to be creative, think independently, and solve problems in innovative ways, they give them the tools they need to create their own opportunities. Whether it's starting a small business, investing in a startup, or coming up with a new idea to address a market need, entrepreneurial thinking can set the foundation for financial independence. Wealthy parents teach their children that failure is a part of the process, and they provide guidance on how to pivot, adjust strategies, and keep learning. This mindset of resilience and adaptability helps children succeed not just in business, but in all areas of life. 6. Thinking long-term, expanding their perspective. Finally, one of the most significant money lessons rich parents teach is the value of thinking long-term. In a world that often promotes instant gratification and quick results, wealthy parents emphasize the importance of having a long-term perspective when it comes to money. This lesson encourages children to think beyond immediate pleasures and focus on building sustainable wealth over time. They are taught to save, invest, and plan for the future, rather than spending impulsively or focusing on short-term gains. By thinking long-term, they understand the value of compound growth, the benefits of consistent investment, and the importance of financial planning. Wealthy parents also teach their children to look at wealth building as a marathon, not a sprint. They encourage patience and self-discipline, knowing that success and financial security are the results of many small, smart decisions made over a long period. These 6 money lessons offer valuable insights into how anyone can improve their financial mindset, regardless of their current financial standing. You don't have to be a millionaire to apply these principles. They're universal and can help you lay a solid foundation for building wealth in your own life. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into finances and investments. Let us know in the comments which of these lessons surprised you the most, and how do you approach